If you're having trouble verifying your identity on your Google account, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your recovery options. Make sure your recovery email and phone number are up to date. Go to the Google account recovery page and enter your email. If prompted, choose to receive a verification code via your recovery email or phone. Step 2. Use the Google account recovery page. Visit the Google account recovery page and follow the prompts. Enter your email address and select Forgot Password or Can't Access Your Account to start the recovery process. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when you created your account. Provide accurate answers to help verify your identity. Step 4. Provide additional information. If the initial verification methods fail, you may be asked to provide additional information. This could include previous passwords, account creation date, or other details that only you would know. Step 5. Wait for Google's response. If you still cannot verify your identity, you may need to submit a request for help. Follow the instructions provided by Google and wait for their response, which may take several days. By following these steps, you should be able to verify your identity and regain access to your Google account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.